You have probably seen channels like Fern blowing up across YouTube right now.
He's just minutes into his speech when shots are fired. Trump got hit. Someone tried to assassinate him in broad daylight. Here is how it unfolded.
With these insane low-poly 3D animated crime documentaries, they pull in millions of views and keep the audience completely hooked. But looking at them, you would assume building this kind of media empire aesthetic requires a massive studio, a dedicated animation team, and hundreds of hours rendering in Blender. That's exactly what I thought too, but I spent hours testing different AI workflows trying to replicate that exact high-end 3D aesthetic without the headache. And I finally cracked it.
It began like any other night. No one noticed the moment she vanished, until the police uncovered the scene. The only clue, she left behind. Some cases are never solved.
Today I am going to show you my exact step-by-step process to generate these fun style 3D animations. We are going to build a full 20-second documentary scene entirely from scratch using just ChatGPT, Luma AI and ElevenLabs. Let's jump right into step 1, generating the master prompt. Everything starts with the prompt. If you just ask AI for 3D animation, it gives you generic Pixar looking junk. We need that specific angular fern look. So for this, go and open ChatGPT and paste this exact prompt. This is the secret sauce. I am making a crime documentary story up to 20 seconds, or just tell ChatGPT how long you need the video. Give me proper prompts so I can put them into Luma AI to generate images, and give me prompts to convert each image into video. This is the most important part of this prompt. You must need to add this. The images must follow this exact design theme. Low poly 3D rendered digital image with angular surfaces and sharp shadows, stylized like a video game cinematic or Unreal Engine cutscene. Subjects should have exaggerated polygonal features, minimal facial detail, and clean flat color shading. You must include that style description. If you don't, then the AI will drift into the realistic or cartoon styles, and you will lose that fun aesthetic completely. Step 2. Generating the assets in Luma. Once ChatGPT gives you your list of image prompts, head over to luma.ai. Copy the image prompts one by one into the Luma AI and generate all the scenes. So now look at these results you are looking for. So now generate a few variations for each scene and select only the ones that perfectly match that low poly vibe and your story. Step 3. Animate with image to video. Now we bring them to life. In Luma, click on image and then click on make video. Go back to ChatGPT. Remember, we asked for video prompts too. Copy the video prompt for that specific scene. Usually something like slow camera pan right, low poly character walks forward, or whatever ChatGPT gives you according to your video story. Paste that into Luma. This ensures the movement is smooth but the style stays locked. Do this for all of your selected clips. Step 4 and 5. The narrative, script and voice. Once all the videos are ready, go back to ChatGPT. Ask it, now write me a script for voiceover that matches these exact scenes. Take that text and head to ElevenLabs. For crime documentary, pick a narrator that sounds serious and deep, like Marcus or similar. Hit generate. Once the audio is ready, then download your audio. Step 6. Assembly and polish. Finally open your editor, Premiere or CapCut or whatever you use. Drag in your voiceover, drop your Luma clips on top to match the story beats. Here is the pro tip. Add a little bit of color grading, slightly desaturate the colors and bump the contrast to make those low poly shadows pop even more. Look at this amazing result. In just few minutes, you have a fun style animations that looks like it took a studio weeks to model. This is how you build a media empire aesthetic without the media empire budget. If you want the exact copy paste prompts I used in this video, subscribe and drop a comment below and I will send them over to you. And characters are only half the battle. To truly look like a media empire, you need a world-class maps. Click this video here where I break down how to create Johnny Harris 3D maps entirely with AI. No After Effects required.